Okay guys, now we'll be doing some kitchen chemistry. The materials required to do this experiment is as follows. Baking soda, some baking soda, you can get vinegar, synthetic vinegar also works fine. I just got this because there's nothing else. Bowl, a spoon, just to put the baking soda inside the bowl. Now take half the spoon, and add some baking soda into the bowl. Now pour some vinegar, you'll see a buzzing reaction. As you can see, a lot of carbon dioxide is released. So this is a chemical reaction of vinegar and baking soda which releases carbon dioxide. You could test it with the help of matches. Just turns off. You take it near to the bubbles. See? So this is one such an experiment which I would suggest you to cover your face up with something like a cloth or something. Don't breathe the carbon dioxide in. So what you did now was a mixture of just some baking soda and some vinegar, and you can create a buzzing reaction. We'll learn what else you can do with it in the next future experiments. As of now, keep building things.